What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for poultry such as chicken or turkey? A. 63 degrees Celsius. B. 68 degrees Celsius. C. 75 degrees Celsius. D. 82 degrees Celsius. Answer: C. Poultry must be cooked to a minimum internal temperature of 75 degrees Celsius to ensure the destruction of harmful bacteria like Salmonella. Which of the following is a critical control point in the HACCP system? A. Food delivery. B. Staff uniforms. C. Pest control log. D. Cooking temperature. Answer: D. Cooking temperature is a critical control point because improper cooking can lead to survival of pathogens. What is the maximum acceptable temperature for a cold storage unit, refrigerator? A. 3 degrees Celsius. B. 5 degrees Celsius. C. 8 degrees Celsius. D. 10 degrees Celsius. Answer: B. Cold food must be stored at or below 5 degrees Celsius to slow the growth of harmful bacteria. How should frozen food be safely thawed? A. On the kitchen counter. B. Under running warm water. C. In the refrigerator. D. At room temperature overnight. Answer: C. The safest method to thaw food is in the refrigerator where the temperature is consistently below 5 degrees Celsius. Which of the following is a sign of pest infestation? A. Clean floor. B. Holes in packaging. C. Closed trash bins. D. Properly labeled food. Answer: B. Holes in food packaging often indicate the presence of pests such as rodents or insects. What is the main purpose of food safety training? A. Improve sales. B. Comply with HR rules. C. Prevent foodborne illness. D. Enhance marketing. Answer: C. Food safety training aims to protect consumers from foodborne illnesses caused by unsafe food handling practices. What is the minimum time recommended for hand washing? A. 5 seconds. B. 10 seconds. C. 20 seconds. D. 40 seconds. Answer: C. Hands should be washed thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to remove germs. What should food handlers do after handling raw meat? A. Dry hands with a towel. B. Use sanitizer only. C. Wash hands thoroughly. D. Wear gloves immediately. Answer: C. Washing hands thoroughly is essential after handling raw meat to prevent cross-contamination. What is the danger zone temperature range where bacteria multiply rapidly? A. 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. B. 5 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. C. 4 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. D. 10 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Answer: B. The danger zone is between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, where bacterial growth is most active and dangerous. Which surface must be sanitized in a food preparation area? A. Office desk. B. Food contact surfaces. C. Restroom sink. D. Employee lockers. Answer: B. Food contact surfaces such as cutting boards, utensils, and countertops must be regularly sanitized. What is cross-contamination? A. Transferring spices. B. Mixing ingredients. C. Transfer of bacteria from one food or surface to another. D. Cooking food thoroughly. Answer: C. Cross-contamination occurs when harmful microorganisms are transferred between surfaces or foods. When must a food handler report illness to a supervisor? A. After they recover. B. When feeling better. C. Immediately when symptoms like vomiting or diarrhea appear. D. Only if it's a fever. Answer: C. Any symptoms like vomiting or diarrhea must be reported immediately to prevent contamination of food. What is the correct way to store raw meat in the refrigerator? A. Above cooked food. B. Next to vegetables. C. On the top shelf. D. On the bottom shelf. Answer: D. Raw meat must be stored on the bottom shelf to prevent its juices from dripping onto other foods. Which action can help control pests in a food establishment? A. Keeping trash bins uncovered. B. Leaving doors open. C. Cleaning food spills immediately. D. Storing food on the floor. Answer: C. Cleaning food spills immediately eliminates food sources that attract pests. What is the purpose of a thermometer in food service? A. Estimate portion sizes. B. Check kitchen temperature. C. Monitor food temperatures. D. Check air conditioning. Answer: C. Thermometers are used to ensure food is stored or cooked at safe temperatures. Which of the following is considered a high-risk group for foodborne illness? A. Teenagers. B. Healthy adults. C. Elderly people. D. Gym members. Answer: C. Elderly individuals are more vulnerable to foodborne illnesses due to weakened immune systems. What is the first step in cleaning a surface? A. Rinse. B. Dry. C. Sanitize. D. Remove debris. Answer: D. The first step is to remove any visible food or dirt before washing and sanitizing. What does the term FIFO mean in food safety? A. First in, fast out. B. First item found. C. First in, first out. D. Final inspection food out. Answer: C. FIFO ensures older stock is used before newer stock to prevent spoilage and waste. What is an allergen? A. A type of bacteria. B. A harmless food. C. A substance causing allergic reactions. D. A cleaning agent. Answer: C. Allergens are substances that can cause serious allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. When should gloves be changed during food handling? A. Once a day. B. Every 2 hours. C. Between different tasks. D. After washing hands. Answer: C. Gloves must be changed between different tasks to prevent cross-contamination. What should be done with expired food items? A. Reheat and serve. B. Donate to staff. C. Store in freezer. D. Discard immediately. Answer: D. Expired food poses health risks and must be discarded immediately to prevent foodborne illness. Which practice helps prevent chemical contamination? A. Store chemicals above food. B. Use food containers for chemicals. C. Store chemicals away from food. D. Mix chemicals with food. Answer: C. Chemicals should always be stored away from food to prevent accidental contamination. What is the correct way to check if meat is cooked thoroughly? A. Check color. B. Use thermometer. C. Smell the food. D. Touch the surface. Answer: B. Using a thermometer provides an accurate measurement of internal temperature to ensure safety. What is the purpose of sanitizing food contact surfaces? A. Make it smell fresh. B. Remove all visible dirt. C. Reduce bacteria to safe levels. D. Add shine to surfaces. Answer: C. Sanitizing reduces harmful bacteria on surfaces to prevent foodborne illness. What should you do if a customer has a food allergy? A. Recommend another dish. B. Guess the ingredients. C. Confirm with the kitchen and label. D. Ignore the concern. Answer: C. It's essential to confirm the ingredients and communicate accurately to prevent allergic reactions.